Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable Cockpit Service in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So Cockpit is a web console where you can view all the services, tasks. So it's a centralized management service where you can control your Linux operating system. So first I log in as a root user. This is the command to enable the cockpit service and start the cockpit service. Systemctl enable --- now cockpit.socket. So this command will enable and start the cockpit service. Next I am adding the cockpit service to firewall database permanently. This is the command to add the cockpit service to firewall database. So it was added successfully. Next I am going to reload the firewall database. So this is the command to reload the firewall database. Okay, so finally I am going to verify whether cockpit service is listening or not. So this is the command to verify cockpit service is listening in port 9090 or not. So 9090 is the port used by cockpit service. So it's listening on the port 9090. So now let me open the Firefox web browser. So here I am going to log in to Cockpit Web Console. Close colon 9090. Yes, so this is the login page of Cockpit Web Console. So now I am logging as an ordinary user. So this user has only limited access. Okay. So anyway, you can use some basic things here. Storage, networking, containers, accounts, services. So now I am logging off the current user, and next I am going to log in as a root user directly. So login to the root user is not a recommended practice. So I am just showing for educational purpose only. So please provide the necessary permission to the ordinary user so that you can view everything. So I am logging as a root user because I can view everything. Okay, for that purpose I am showing. So here you can see I can able to view the file systems and logs, networking. So these are the interfaces available. Services. So these are the services available in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So you can start or stop these services in Cockpit Web Console itself. Also the targets, sockets, timers, paths. So everything you can use. So these are the applications you can control. Kernel dump. You can take the kernel dump. Security enhanced Linux. So software update also you can do if you have internet connection. So this is how we can use Cockpit Web Console. Make sure that you give enough permission to the ordinary users so that you can use all the services